guys, Robert Kenyon back again. Not doing a race car video today. We're working on the F250. I got to put a new brake caliper on, new pads, new rotors. She needs some new ball joints. We're not doing that right now, but you'll know that once you see the next video that I'm about to upload today from a couple of weekends ago. We're going to put new rotors, pads, and all that, and I'm going to try out my new cordless ratchet that I bought. Obviously you can tell I'm a cobalt guy. I like cobalt tools. Got my cobalt impact this. I've got a cobalt drill in the house that y'all see me use in a previous video. Just want to try to get this done. We're supposed to be at practice tomorrow. Probably not going due to the car not being ready because I'm working on the truck, getting it fixed, and I had to work last weekend. Also, I'm off next weekend. There's no practice next weekend. Practice is the weekend after, so it does not look like we'll be going to a practice. So, with that being said, stick around, guys, and enjoy the video. So, that's the only pad that's left. I don't really see if you can see anything, but there's not another pad in there, which I'm changing the caliper because it ate the caliper. Like, it absolutely destroyed the caliper. And guys, I knew I needed brakes. Hold on. So, like I said, I knew I needed brakes. I ordered brakes. They're here. I'm putting them on now. I'm putting some cross-drilled and slotted rotors and new pads, and I'm going to put a new caliper on it because obviously that one's junked. But yeah, we knew it needed brakes. That's why I ordered them. I didn't know it was that bad. And apparently it was that bad. Like, it's bad, guys. So I guess that's a lesson to always try to get shit done a little quicker. Alright guys, what's up? This is Robert back, in and out this video. We shot this a couple weeks ago. I did get the brakes fixed. Everything's good to go there. Still need to put ball joints in it, which I'm actually looking to see right now if it's the ball joints or if it's the sway bar, because I got to check some things. But we're working on that. Like I said, I got to work this coming weekend and the video, which would be practice this weekend, so we're not going to get to do that. We're hoping and planning to be at 411 in April. I think it's April the 9th. So we're trying to be there for that race. So hopefully I have another video out before then of us working on the car and kind of letting you guys know what we're doing. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll catch you next time.